Okay, I say teen pregnancy is an opportunity to be a good person. It's an opportunity. Everything is an opportunity.
Nagkakamali ka kung akala mo na
Sorry lang.
Nadala sa pagkabatanon na misguided ba? May problema sa pamilya, sagaran broken family. Wala na guidance sa gidikanan, sakto ba?
alam mo na ang lahat ng kailangan mong malaman.
Teen pregnancy for me is a phenomenon because basically phenomenon means extraordinary, but the other term for phenomenon is it is an act because of a sensory perception. Teen pregnancy happens because people will it to happen.
Makinig ka na lang.
Teen pregnancy is an adventure because it changes you in every way. It's an end to irresponsibility and it's a start of a new life.
Ang buhay, lagi kang nasasabihan.
Reality because it is existing fact. It is a phenomenon today, and I'm not certain about the exact data, but I think most of the teenagers nowadays are engaged to premarital sex, etc. That leads to teen pregnancy.
Batang bata ko na
Give kay?
Give siya because dahil kay alam mo tao man good, no? Tama ba?
Ngunit kahit kanya ng pinalalagyan, alam ko na may karapatan.
So first, namang sa mong mind, speaking about teenage pregnancy is rampant. So why rampant?
Rampant manggod kay kanang karon pag makadungog ta na rasa naway classmate sa una nakadungog ko na buntis na daw siya karon ngayon ko na ay klaro naman kay sa una mo nakita na nako saya na yung ana murag mapadulong kung sa yung ana na mabuntis siya sa'yo ikaw
Ngunit ang isip